Well, it started several years ago when a candidate named Ross Perot, while on the Larry King live show, said words oh so profound. He said the jobs would disappear, and very soon we all would hear from way down south of the border a giant sucking sound.
Sucking sound, can't you hear that sucking sound?
Drowns out everything around and the world turns upside down.
Oh Lord! Sucking sound, can't you hear that sucking sound?
Not a paycheck to be found.
To be found, to be found.
When you hear that sucking sound.
I tell you, lad, it beats anything I've ever saw. It's a powerful thing. You better hang on to whatever it is you got there, boy, 'cause you ain't never seen nothing like it.
Sucking sound, can't you hear that sucking sound? Sucking sound.
You seen that commercial where the vacuum cleaner picks up the bowling ball? Well, that ain't nothing, Larry. This picks up the bowling ball factory.
Well, now those days have came and went, and everything's made in the Orient. Oh, we still have some jobs, of course, in the good old USA. But some folks are still scratching their heads, remembering what Perot had said, 'cause the people in the new workforce are Pedro and Jose.